Welcome to Know It All, your ultimate hub for knowledge, curiosity, and discovery. Looking for a security camera that's both eco-friendly and easy to install? Meet the Solar WiFi camera, your perfect solution for reliable wireless surveillance.
These cameras are equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that provide continuous power day and night. No need to worry about power outages or dead batteries. Your security is always on. Access live video feeds from anywhere in the world through your smartphone or tablet. With Solar Wi-Fi cameras, you're always connected to what matters most. Day or night, rain or shine, Solar Wi-Fi cameras deliver crystal clear footage. Advanced night vision ensures nothing goes unnoticed, even in total darkness. Not only do Solar Wi-Fi cameras save you money by eliminating energy costs, but they also contribute to a greener planet. By utilizing renewable solar energy, you're making a positive impact on the environment. So why settle for outdated energy-draining security systems?